I want you to say goodbye to high energy bills and hello to the energy efficient, cost-effective power of a heat pump. A central heat pump is just like the regular air conditioner working with the existing gas furnace and ductwork in your house. It can do cooling in the summer and heating in the winter. This dual fuel system is effective because the heat pump uses less energy than a gas furnace, producing fewer greenhouse emissions, making it a more sustainable choice for the environment, saving you money on your energy bills. And if you're a resident of Ontario, you're in luck. Natural Resources Canada, working with Enbridge Gas, is offering qualified homeowners a $6,500 rebate grant on select heat pump packages, plus an additional $600 energy audit fee reimbursement, so you can save even more money. So let me ask you, are you ready to take your home heating to the next level? Call EcoStar Home Services to book your free consultation today.